Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Jai Sri Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine, healthy and happy. Today I am going to show you the Taladanda Canal in Cuttack, Odisha. Here you will see the older Taladanda Canal and the Taladanda Canal in its new avatar. So let us start our journey. You can see this is the old Taladanda Canal. It was started in the year 1862 by the then East India Company. It was later completed in the year 1869 by the British government. You can clearly see the Taladanda Canal from a distance here. ଏହି ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲଟି ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା 1862ରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତାହା ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୱାରା 1869ରେ ଶେଷ ହୋଇଥିଲା। The renovation of the canal, which was started in November 2020, is going on at full speed and it is still going on. You can see it very clearly. ଏହି କେନାଲର ରିନୋଭେସନ୍ କାମଟି ନଭେମ୍ବର 2020ରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏହା ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଚାଲିଛି, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହୋଇନାହିଁ। Here you see some part of the canal is partially renovated and it looks so beautiful. It is a 30 crore project which will be completed in 2 years time, covering a stretch of nearly 3 kilometers. Now only 1.5 kilometers of the canal is completed. You see, it looks so nice, so beautiful. तीस कोटी टंकार ये प्रोजेक्ट आरंभ करा जाइछि, जहाँकि 3 किलोमीटर पर्यंत हेब। वर्तमान पर्यंत अधा काम अर्थात 1.5 किलोमीटर रिनोवेशन करा जाइछि, जोटा कि आपण अति सुंदर भाव देखि पारुछंती। संपूर्ण भाव काम सरी ना, संपूर्ण भाव काम सरिले या आहुरी सुंदर देखा दिए। This place is very close to the Taladanda Canal and it has become a selfie zone for the youngsters in our city. This looks so nice, so beautiful. You just observe it. It's so nice. এই জায়গাটি তালদଣ୍ଡା ক্যানালর খুব নিকটরে। এই জায়গাটি বর্তমান আম সহরর পিলাମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ पर्टिकुलारली यंग पिला मानक पई एक सेल्फी जोन बा हॉटस्पॉट भाव में बना जाउछि। संध्या समय एठारे बहुत लोकंकर समागम होउछि एवं लोक माने को एन्जॉय करछन। आपण देखंतु केते सुंदर देखा जाउछि जगहटी। द जस्ट अपोजिट रे अछि तालदण्ड कैनाल। आपण एठरू तालदण्ड कैनाल को भी देखि पारिबे। This is another view of the renovated Taladanda Canal. Now I want to go back to history. The main purpose of digging this canal was irrigation and waterways. So irrigation and waterways, they were the main purpose for which the British government started this canal. इंग्रेज सरकार ये केनालटी कला बेले यार मुख्य उद्देश्य थिला इरिगेशन एवं वाटरवेज। आपण पुराना केनालटी देखिछंती, वर्तमान नुआ केनालटी देखंतु केते सुंदर देखा जाउछि। वर्तमान मु यार टेक्नोलॉजी विषय कहबी को टेक्नोलॉजी रे एटा तयारी करा जाइछि। एटी जर्मन टेक्नोलॉजी रे तयारी करा जाइछि। आपण देखंतु ओई पाखर देखंतु जर्मन टेक्नोलॉजी रे ए नुआ रिनोवेशन कामटी तयारी होइछि। So this renovation is being done with German technology which uses concrete canvas. It is very durable and it takes less time to complete. Now let us see the origin of Taladanda Canal. You see the other side the road, that is river Mahanadi. That is the Jobra barrage. You see out there, Jobra barrage, and that is the river Mahanadi. On some other day, I will make another video on river Mahanadi. And this Taladanda Canal is originated from this river Mahanadi. It goes on till it merges in the Bay of Bengal. आपण माने देखि पारुछंती ए तालदंडा केनाल टी एई थारु बाहरिछि महानदी रिवर रु महानदी नदी रु एई थारु जस्ट एई थारु ए केनाल टी बाहरिछि। आपण एते सुंदर भाव देखि परिबे। मो महानदी ऊपर आ गुटे वीडियो आपण को देखाइबी अनेक दिन। Now it is evening time. The selfie zone is clearly illuminated. This enhances the beauty of the place and gives the canal view a new dimension. वर्तमान संध्या हो जाइछि एवं यही संध्या समयटी बहुत सुंदर देखा जाउछि। And one last thing, stay healthy and happy, and do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Bharat.